Okay, so we're in Macau. We got Hollywood restaurant right there, and we're gonna go down this little street right here called Travessa de União, and I'll kind of show you all the way around. Just to give you some context, this is all going south in this direction. Sao Paulo ruins would be down in that direction, and then the other direction would be north, and this would be going towards the Zhuhai-China border, which is probably like at least a kilometer up there, and the other about a kilometer the other direction. So we're in this, I think it's called Gosida. It's kind of dense area of all these blocky apartments everywhere. And we're just basically going to go down this little Travessa de União. So let's check it all out. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Here we are in Travessa de União. We got Shell Station, Sakura, some camera shops in here, and appliances and things like that. And this is basically, I think this is called, I don't remember. It's doesn't matter because that's not this isn't our target street. Our target street is Travessa de União. So we're going to basically go down this way, and you can see these big blocky buildings. You can see them in both directions. We're going to try to go by. Then you have this blocky one as well, right? So this whole area kind of has these big blocky buildings. Hollywood restaurant. It looks like that one. It's going to show you what that looks like. Has a nice sign to it. So we came back over here to Hollywood. Let's just kind of see what Hollywood's all about. It has a nice sign to it. It looks like it's closed at the moment. I know it's something. Okay, so we're gonna go down our target street, União. So actually what happened is I tried to put it on a super view, but it said the settings wouldn't take the settings, so the camera turned off. There's our target right there, União. I think this will look a lot better with our other settings, so let me just try to see if I can get the other one back. Okay, so I'm going to try to do this one. I think the settings are better. It's at nighttime as well, so I don't know exactly all the issues. The lighting is a little bit blinky there. Okay, so we're going to head on down, and let me just kind of see how this will look. I am the key. That's an English, math, critical thinking even. Wow. So this is for kids, of course. Okay, so we're gonna go down our Travessa de União. Got a little mine shop. We also have, this is kind of typical in this area, but you can see about 6 layers. So I think its standard is 4 or 5, I think. And then depends on how you count it. I think they count that as G, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then up at the top it would be like not always accurate. You know, it's not always what they say it is. What I mean by that is it's illegal, and they'll put like a rooftop up on top sometimes. Nick Wares. Okay. Got some mechanic shops in here as well, and it looks like they're doing some cleaning. The lighting is not so great. Twist Kitchen. That's the one thing with all this density, you have kind of interesting stuff everywhere. So this particular one, you can sit outside and order different soups. And you can even sit outside right here as well. Closes at 9 p.m. And they say like opens every day, so it sounds like 9 p.m. Some days will close earlier in this area. Surprisingly, you would think that they would see the big market potential and say later. but I guess they have a reason for that. So okay. So we're gonna come out over here, then you can see our target street right here. Travessa de União. That's basically what this particular street looks like. And then basically this side street, let me just kind of bring the camera around a little bit. And now you're gonna see a big thoroughfare. This goes, all these are going north. So like this bus is going to Home, which is kind of near the border. Porta de Costa is the street that was just not too far away from here, but it's going, that's where it just dropped people off at. And we're gonna end. The camera settings won't let me keep it, so but that's Travessa de União. We're in Macau, and this is kind of a little bit of a through street in this area, so hope you like it. And let's end this one right here. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.